So in 2 minutes of a video, I'm going to show you a very valuable lesson with basically working with a level over long runs, big like right round the house or just big long lengths. Right guys, so we're putting on the base rule here, the bottom for the plinth. It's going to have a chamfered edge, right? But the apprentice kind of thinks that I'm messing him about when I say spin the level. So if you just look here, wee second, I need to explain it. So that level, the bubble's on one side, right? So you know you spin it when it ends up on the other side, left. But the whole purpose of spinning the level is if the level's reading slightly off and you keep on staying the same way, if you're slightly off, you're just going to be going uphill. Slightly constantly uphill, where if you spin the level, it corrects itself. So technically you're kind of going up and down, up and down, up and down, but realistically you're correcting the level by turning it round. You know what I mean? So, you know, if you're a wee slight bit off, then this way it'll be a wee slight bit off, but it'll be correcting itself. So it's correcting itself the whole way around, and that's how you make your base rule match up. Keep turning the level. So the apprentice was thinking you do this. So you don't do that. You actually have to turn it round. You know what I mean? Turn it round. So you know that one's now on that side. It's now at that side. So that's how you know you're actually turning it around. He was doing this. That's not what you're doing here. You're actually spinning the whole level. So with the right hands, or you can turn it that way.
What we doing live? Echoes in eternity.
Aww.